Spill out. Spill out. To flow or fall out of a container. This is an accidental or uncontrolled action. The water spilled out of the glass when it tipped over. The man knocked my shopping cart over, and all my groceries spilled out. Slosh around. Slosh around. To cause liquid to splash around inside of some container as a result of it being shaken or moved jerkily around. Watch out. You keep sloshing the soup around. I sloshed the bleach and detergent around in the container to mix them up properly. Pour out. Pour out. To empty a container by letting its contents flow out. This is a controlled and intentional action. He poured out 2 glasses of cola. Carefully and slowly he poured the tea out. Squirt out. Squirt out. If a liquid squirts out, it comes out suddenly and with force. Water squirted out all the floor. He squirted out some ketchup onto his burger. Sop up. Sop up. To remove liquid from a surface by using soft paper, bread. It is surprising how much milk the bread sops up. She spilled some orange juice and sopped it up with the paper towels. Wipe up. Wipe up. To remove a substance usually liquid with a cloth or something similar. I was just wiping up the soup that you spilled out on the table. I wiped the milk up off the floor. Wring out. Wring out. To squeeze liquid from something by pressing or twisting it. Wring out that dishcloth so it will dry faster. She wrung out the shirt and hung it out to dry. Spill over. Spill over. To spill by flowing out of a container or over some barrier. The water rose up the glass and began to spill over. You are going to need a bigger pot, or else that soup will spill over. Fill up. Fill up. To add liquid to make something full. He quickly filled up the bowl with water. The waiter filled my glass up again. Spurt out. Spurt out. To flow out suddenly and with force in a fast stream. Blood was spurting out all over place. Water spurted out from the faucet into the sink. Mop up. Mop up. To use a piece of cloth or a mop to remove a liquid from a surface. I mopped up the spilled milk on the floor. Please mop up the coffee. I spilled it out. Rinse out. Rinse out. To make something clean by washing it with water. Rinse a cup before use. She rinsed out her coffee cup. Scrub out. Scrub out. To clean the inside of something by rubbing it hard with a brush and usually with a soap and water. For example, he scrubbed out the pans and left them to drain. After the tomato sauce boiled over, I had to scrub the stove.